to Gordon Guitar. We have the new Ed Sheeran / Pokemon song called Celestial. So a great song, and you know what? Again, just 4 chords like it usually is with Ed Sheeran songs, and it goes in the same way also through the entire song with 1 strumming pattern. So this one will be a quick one. We will look at the chords G, B minor, D, and A. No need for any capo on this one. So let's start with the chords. We have the G, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. The next chord, B minor, so you need a bar here on the 2nd fret from the A string and down, so 5 strings if you count from bottom up. You just leave the last E string, and then the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. Then we have the D, so that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And then finally the A, so that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. Alright, so like I said, same chord progression through the entire song. Let's start with the G. 1 strumming round will be like this. Alright, and if you look at the sequence there, about 2 minutes and 45 seconds into the song, you can see Ed playing this strumming pattern. So it will be down, down, up. Okay, so down, down, up, and then comes the fast part here, up, down, down, up. So up, down, 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 up. And that's it. So down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up. You will play 1 round per chord, so that will give you G, B minor, D, A, 1 strumming. Sounds like this. A little bit slowed down just for you to hear how it's done. And that, my friend, covers Pokemon and Ed Sheeran song called Celestial. So thank you for watching and play tuned.